Click on the link below to see price. Bluetti 2400Wh solar generator. The Bluetti 2400Wh is a lightweight, powerful solar generator. Its durable injected polymer frame is more rugged than ordinary plastics. Its 2400Wh battery pack is capable of producing 1000 watts of continuous power output, which is enough to run most household appliances and charge most devices. The compact design allows it to fit easily into your backpack or car trunk. You can also use it to charge your smartphone. The life cycle rating of the Bluetti 2400Wh solar generator is 2500 cycles, which is pretty impressive considering that you need to recharge it every day. It can run the typical household items for about 7 years, which is a good enough duration for most homes. This unit also has a built-in 1000 watts high-rate lithium polymer battery cell and is capable of providing more than 2400 watts of output. The Bluetti 2400Wh is a lightweight device weighing only 48.5 pounds. The unit's durability is impressive, as it is made from injected polymer, which is more resistant to shock than typical plastics. Bluetti 2400Wh offers up to 2000 hours of continuous output, which is plenty for most emergency and household devices, or even charging a regular device. The unit uses a Lipower battery for energy storage, which is known to last the longest in solar generators. The Bluetti 2400Wh has an MPPT solar charge controller built in, which is the best available today. The Bluetti 2400Wh takes about 5.5 hours to recharge the battery. Comparable solar generators take about the same amount of time to fully charge a battery that is half the size. Its MPPT charge controller ensures that the battery will be properly recharged. The Bluetti 2400Wh is a great investment for the average home. The Bluetti comes with 200-watt solar panels, but you cannot charge the unit from a car battery. The Bluetti is compatible with many standard AC and DC electrical connectors. If you don't have an AC outlet, you can purchase an adapter from MAXOAK and charge the Bluetti through your car's cigarette lighter port. This means that you can have a clean, free source of energy for the rest of your life. The Bluetti has 4 USB ports, which is more than most of the other solar generators on the market. It is the central hub for cell phone charging in times of power outage, and has a USB-C port as well. Click on the link below to see price.